Whoa.
Or is that a different one?
Gotta have balance. I'm in between.
I'm always so nervous. It's that time again.
Don't have space in our house.
We literally just had lunch.
I want some more.
This helps go towards TNR projects. So the trap, neuter, and release stray cats in Korea. Good. All right, we're about to go into the second exhibition hall. Very dangerous for cat lovers. We've already bought Bimo a lot of snacks, like a lot, but it's very cheap, so it saves us money in the long run.
Yeah.
Self-justification. They're magnetic, so like stick together. And Kyuho insisted that we get them.
Bought it.
The price is actually pretty good though.
Yes. Now I understand why people bring their carriers here.
I know. Not only is there a lot of stuff here, but you can get it at really cheap prices.
Yeah, I'm excited for this.
See, this is what we should have done, Kyuho. Cat grass and a whole bunch of his favorite, like Japanese tube food snacks. So cheap for this.
Very successful.
Yes. Our main intention coming here was to film for a Channel News Asia segment, but next time we're bringing a carrier. Hey, look who greeted us. Hey, look what I got.
It's like,
It's your favorite! Yeah, she loves these. Like it, don't you?
oh, look at her holding.
Yeah. Well, hi. Did we wake you? We wanted something for him raised a little bit when he eats. 1, 2. Here. What do you think? Seems to like it. Are you satisfied, Dad?
I'm so happy. Nemo's dessert.
Little dessert. Well, he pretty much totaled the first one. Oh, it's raining. Yeah, it's raining.
Oh, mandu?
Kind of, after seeing them like that. I'm using my backpack as a tripod right now. I wish you could see it. That's how it works. We've got a tripod. Oh my goodness, be careful with your joints.
I felt the vibration.
Hey guys, so today we are going to go meet, let me check, yeah. We're gonna go meet our friends for lunch today. One of our friends I started working with in Korea when I first came here. We both came at the same time. And the other friend, he lives in America. He is actually the one who kind of like helped Kyuho and I talk to each other that very first night that we met. So yeah, we're gonna have a kind of traditional Korean lunch with them since he's here visiting. But we haven't seen him in like 6 years.
Yeah.
That's crazy. My friend who we're meeting texted me. He's like, because he went out drinking last night and he was kind of hungover. I said, you sound like a hot mess right now. And he's like, yeah, I'm so much of a hot mess that I realized I left my wallet at home and I'm in a cab right now. So I'm gonna need someone's help to pay for the cab that I'm in. He doesn't have his wallet.
My goodness.
Oh, hey!
You have to introduce us.
Okay.
반갑습니다. 제 이름은 김영욱입니다.
Good job, Bobby.
감사합니다. You like that?
Bobby Kim.
Bobby Kim.
We are old workmates. We both came to Korea at the same time to work. And his good friend, our good friend, Justin Ju, who is visiting from New York City right now.
The worst person I know.
Should we just push it?
Whoa.
Oh my god. Good first scene, Bobby.
Oh. This is my favorite restaurant around this area.
Oh my god, why didn't I know about this?
Table on top of a table place. So the rice is from like Ichon. Yeah. That's what it is. Yeah. I've been
This
here
is way
plenty
more
of
than I
times.
expected. You okay, buddy?
This looks so good. My hangover's not gone yet, but
It
it's
will.
My favorite.
Do you eat those?
Deogyang-gu.
Yeah, they're good, right?
Do you like them? Is that the one that we used to go to like before work? Or is that a different one? What is this called? No one knows. Where they slide this table on, like here.
This table on top of the table.
Yes.
Sang we sang.
That's not real.
And if I'm right,
If you're right, I will buy it. I don't know my wallet. If I'm right, you will buy this and you will not be paid back.
you gotta put layers on there, okay? Taco Tuesday, Korea version. I'm gonna get some japchae for a little bit of slime texture. Gotta have balance. Alright? Trust me, I'm a culinary professional.
That's the air quality. That's the air quality getting you.
174. It's no joke, guys. Samjang. But there's something really
Wait, you put samjang?
Oh much though.
I don't remember that part, but
This guy is like a big part of the reason.
No, it's definitely something that he would say.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm just trying to connect everyone.
Who do you like here? Who'd you make out with? I don't know.
Bobby stayed posted next to the popcorn machine. He was just eating popcorn the whole time.
I remember when you got really drunk, you used to eat like. We've never been to Dairy Queen in Korea yet. They have more sizes than in Canada, I think.
I love it.
Small and mini.
I got the Reese's one.
Yeah, I got Oreo. Is it good?
Oh, I love Reese's.
Do you like it better? I know, it's the best. Classic.
Oh.
Here? Yeah, we just finished filming our last check-in segment yesterday, so we thought we would treat ourselves to a little bit of a special lunch today.
It's sad. It's so cold. We can't sit out.
I know,
right
it's
now.
really cold, but
Back in winter.
yeah, but the sky is actually really clean today, so we'll take it. What are you gonna get?
No idea.
Kyuho's hangry. We just ordered.
Not yet. I'm in between.
It's a delicate balance right now.
I mean, as long as we're in a restaurant, I'm fine.
Yeah.
Winter is back.
So we have to go to Kyuho's uncle's birthday lunch. He's turning 60. University type stores.
Yeah,
that
Konkuk
appeal.
University Station, I guess.
Lots of like fashion.
Lots of
makeup.
맛집.
Oh, really?
Oh, ah, fancy. This place is fancy.
Oh, why? I'm always so nervous because Kyuho has so many family members. Like, I don't know how to call everyone, right? Even you don't know when I ask.
Yeah.
You're not helpful at all.
Yeah, my mom has a lot of siblings.
Yeah. 6? 7?
8. Carbs. Already finished lamb.
Forgot to record.
I had difficulties remembering all the names.
I have to ask Kyuho, like, what do I call this person? In Korea, what Kyuho calls his mom's older sister is different from the title that I would call her. Like in English, everyone's an aunt and uncle. It doesn't matter if it's your mom's or dad's brother or sister or what their age is, it's just aunt or uncle. So I always get so confused. Imo, kunimo, gomo, like all that kind of stuff. So we're just walking to the subway station now because we ate so much. We thought we should